In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize template in DocuSign. We'll start from your DocuSign account, open the template you want to change, upload an updated document, place the right signature fields for two signers, and finish by saving your changes. After signing in, head to the Templates section. This is where all of your reusable documents live. Locate the template you want to adjust, open its Actions menu, and choose Edit. Editing keeps the original template intact until you save, so you can safely review each setting. In the Documents area, select Upload to add a new file. If you're replacing an outdated version, DocuSign will let you keep or adjust the document order. Choose Desktop. Pick your updated file from your computer and confirm. A quick tip here. Keep file names clear and versioned, so it's easy to spot the latest document when you return to this template later. With the document in place, continue to the Prepare stage by clicking Next, Add Fields. On the left panel, choose the Signature field. Make sure the recipient selector shows your first signer, then click on the page where that signer needs to sign. If your template uses roles like Client or Manager instead of specific names, that's ideal. Roles make templates reusable, and you'll fill in real names only when you send. Now switch the recipient selector to your second signer and add their signature field in the appropriate spot. Take a moment to align fields neatly and use the guides that snap to margins. Clean placement improves the signing experience. If you have details that repeat across pages, consider using data labels so a signer enters information once and it autofills elsewhere. And if there's anything the sender must provide before sending, like an internal reference number, you can mark it as a sender field right in this view. Before wrapping up, glance at the template details. While you're still in edit, you can review the email subject and message so recipients understand what they're signing. Keeping this language clear reduces back and forth and speeds up completion. Remember, you can click any field to fine-tune properties like required status, tooltip text, or formatting, and use the zoom controls to place fields precisely. Small adjustments here help prevent signer errors and reduce the chance of fields being missed. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. Your template is now updated with the new document and correctly placed signature fields for both signers, ready to use the next time you send. That's it. Your customized DocuSign template is good to go.